In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban view in Airtable. If you're managing tasks, projects, or any workflow that moves through stages, Kanban is a great way to see progress at a glance and keep everything moving smoothly. Start by opening the Airtable base where you want to build your board. A Kanban view doesn't change your data. It simply gives you a visual way to work with the records you already have. Once your base is open, look to the left side for the Views panel. That's where all your different ways of looking at the same table live. Click Create New to add a fresh view for this table. From the view options that appear, choose Kanban. This tells Airtable you want to display your records as cards arranged in columns. Next, give your Kanban view a clear, descriptive name so you and your team instantly understand its purpose. Something like Tasks by Status or Sales Pipeline works well. When you're happy with the name, click Create. Airtable will now ask you to choose a stack field, which is the field used to create the columns on your board. This is the backbone of your Kanban. Common choices include fields like status, stage, or priority. A single select field usually works best because each option becomes its own column. If your field already has options like to do, in progress, and done, you'll see those appear as columns right away. If you see fewer columns than expected, it may be because some records don't have a value in that field yet. Your Kanban board will now display your records as cards organized into those columns. Each card represents a record from your table and shows key information at a glance. This makes it easy to scan what's waiting, what's being worked on, and what's finished. To keep things up to date, simply drag and drop cards between columns. When you move a card, Airtable automatically updates the underlying field to match the new column, so your data stays accurate. You can also drag to reorder cards within a column to reflect priority or sequence. Finally, customize the view to focus on what matters most. Use filters to show only the records that meet certain criteria, like tasks assigned to a particular team or items due this week. Apply sorts to control the order of cards, for example by due date or priority within each column. Hide fields that aren't essential, so your cards remain clean and easy to read. These adjustments don't delete anything. They simply present your data in the most useful way. Thanks for watching.